You can seamlessly link your Premiere Pro clips and After Effects compositions using Dynamic Link. Once you're inside of Premiere Pro, right-click on the desired clip situated in your timeline and select Replace with After Effects Composition. This will automatically launch After Effects and set up a new composition. Inside of After Effects, you can import footage by double-clicking here and selecting your desired video from the Footage folder located inside of each shot folder. If you'd also like the camera data, you can import the After Effects composition. Once this has imported, you can drag it into your linked composition and proceed to get creative. In this instance, I'm going to apply a mirror effect. The 3D renders seem to respond really well to this, but feel free to explore and try new things. For instance, you could add a shape layer and have it track to your scene. I'm going to add a new shape layer by clicking Layer, New, Shape Layer. Click the drop-down arrow and add an ellipse. Then increase the size. Next, add a stroke. You can adjust the stroke width and colour until you're happy. To make the shape layer track with your scene, you can enable 3D by clicking in this box. This will only work if you have a camera in your scene. Sometimes this can make the object appear off-screen. The easiest way to fix this is by right-clicking on your layer, navigating up to Transform, then clicking Center in View. This looks interesting, but isn't really what we're after. We want it to be aligned straight towards the camera. If you select your layer, then press Command-Alt-O and select Orient towards Camera, this should fix it. Auto Orient can also be found under the Transform options by right-clicking on your layer. Finally, we'll copy and paste the mirror effect from the footage layer and apply it to the shape layer so the two match. Once you're happy with what you've been creating inside of After Effects, you can jump back over to Premiere Pro. You'll see the footage has been updated with what's in your linked After Effects composition. You could even use this workflow to add animated typography over the top of your footage, while still leaving flexibility to move the element around in the Premiere Pro timeline. Even if After Effects is closed, your Premiere Pro timeline will still reference and play back your linked After Effects composition.